What is up, everyone? Miss Learn and Earn here. I just want to come in and talk to you about this new app that I found. Now, I'm sure I'm late to the party, but it is what it is. It's called Flip. And apparently, I just started this thing yesterday, last night actually. But apparently, Flip is like an app that works kind of like the TikTok affiliate program. Only thing is that you don't need any followers to make money as an affiliate for Flip. You actually earn. If you look up here, it says wallet there. You actually earn money that can go towards your purchases just by scrolling. You can scroll here, and if you look up in the right corner, there is an amount there. Now, like I said, I just started last night, late last night, like really late last night, and I'm already up to $51.16. Now, I believe they take a percentage of what what you have up there to go towards your balance. Let's see, it goes towards your cart. So I'm not sure about all the ins and outs, but like you see up there, it already changed, and I just you have to stay on your video for 3 minutes, 3 seconds, and it changes for you. And if I go to my cart, I have some things in here already that I found that I just put in there. You even get okay. Okay. So you can see my total is 126, and if they take the $21, $51 away, then I'll be left with $75. So I'm not sure how it works because I heard that it was only a certain percentage of the amount, but right here it has me using the whole amount. So I guess it depends on what your card is at or whatever. So, yep. So the monies that you accrue just for posting, just for scrolling, and like when you like it, you get when you like something, you also get points. Even if you dislike it, you get points. I don't basic. You saw it went up again. So yeah, you stay on the video for 3 seconds, and you interact with the video. You leave comments. Everything you do, you get points for, and that's how you earn credit money to buy your products. Now, again, like I said, TikTok, it makes you have to have 5,000 followers just to make any type of money. And I think for the content creator, I think you have to have 10,000 followers to be the content program. Listen, I have over 10,000 followers on one of my TikTok accounts, and when I tell you, I have yet to make the content creator program because I haven't gotten 100,000 views in a month. I just cannot, I haven't done it. I just haven't done it. So, yeah, it's very hard to do. Now, I have acquired some affiliate payments, but not anything to write home about. So, anyway, Flip is very unique app. It's a whole shopping app. You also get paid once you buy your first. Oh yeah, so to become an affiliate or to become anything, you can't even post until you buy your first product. Now, in my cart here, you can see the different price points. I think I even have a product in here for 80 some cents. I think this lip gloss. I'm gonna get this mascara. So there's things for everybody's budget. So I'm going to order something, like this week. And so that way, when I get it, I can review it. Now, you can't review anything. You know how, like TikTok, you can kind of review and kind of get away with if you haven't bought the product from them? Well, you can't do that here. You have to buy their product. Now, you can review other things, but you can't tag it. You can't tag it. So anyway, so you get paid that way. Also, to get paid here, once you get your first product, you're able to post. See, right now I'm not able to post. You got to buy that first product. You can be able to post. So, but when you get the permission to post, then you get paid to post. Like then you can post any type of video. It doesn't have to be product review videos at all. You actually get paid for each video as well, for each view as well. And I think they're paying a good amount for each view right now. And I don't know if that's going to last long, but that's just what it is. So here you can see I don't have any creator earner earnings right now. And then you can, this is this checklist to start earning cash, place an order, um, preview your purchase, review your purchase, and earn the cash. And yeah, so these are, I guess, the criteria that they'll give you, and you're able to check your stats and all that good stuff. And yep, so this is the new app that I'm going to be really into. I'm going to go ahead and make my purchase soon. Here's my watch rewards. So you can see I have $51.54 right now. And if you do the, I guess if you do the streak, they give you bonus points or bonus money. They say to get paid to scroll. A lot of people are making good money on this thing. A lot of people. So then I guess your rewards change, and it's cool. Actually, the actual videos, I'm finding like it's oh my god, this thing is addictive. Like I literally just stay on this thing and scroll and scroll and scroll. I'm going to put this phone down tonight because I can't. I can't. But oh, and then they also have on the house stuff. I don't know what that is. Next one is one else. So I don't know how you get those. I think you got to get to certain levels. You see, I don't have any of these levels because I haven't made any videos yet. But yeah, I'm gonna order my product. Like, what's a Quinn? What's this, a drink? Anyway, I'm gonna order my product like this week, really soon, maybe even tomorrow, and that way I can start posting. And then I guess I'll check in because this thing is pretty dope. I really like this app that I've found. So if you guys want to get on the app, I'll probably leave a link to that so you could join. Oh, if you come in with me, you'll get money. Like if you use my invite friends and get up 75 each friend, and then you get 75 as well. So, and that $75 I think goes to your products. Like you see where I have $50. Well, every time you bring a friend in, you're going to get $75, and your friend will get $75. But guess what? You're my friend, so you guys can go ahead and use my link just to check it out. It's completely free until you want to get a product to start reviewing and to start making videos. And again, just to make a simple video, you're going to get paid for that too. You don't have to review their products to get paid, which is dope. Like just the videos, you get money for every view you get. You know what I mean? So it's really awesome. So it's such a cool app. I'm like so excited. So go ahead and just, go ahead and get started for free and just check it out. Scroll and see how your points go up. And you already have the $75. So you'll be ahead of the game. 'Cause I didn't come in with any points. I just started from scratch. Because I didn't have a friend to refer me. I just found it off of Instagram. So guys, thanks for listening to me babble, and you have a good rest of your day.